Another important and exciting part of the program are all the different links that are included in each of the modules. Links include things like blogs, podcasts, videos, product recommendations, cooking guides, recipes, all sorts of resources for you. So for example, in the beans, nuts, and seed strategy module, I include a bunch of links of some of my favorite recipes for using lentils, making hummus, pea soup, chia pudding. I've also included some information about various minerals, more soluble fiber, and some incredible blogs from the Wise Mind Nutrition website. So download the app today, start logging your food, watch some videos, and learn the Wise Mind Nutrition framework. And send me a message and let me know how it's going for you.